Are you looking for the best toilets for every bathroom? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best toilets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. American Standard H2 Option Dual Flush Toilet. Why we love it: dual flush technology, with a partial flush for liquid waste and a full flush for solid waste, has been around for a couple of decades now, though some brands still struggle to maintain consistent flushing power across the 2 modes. That's not the case with the American Standard H2 option, which made short work of both liquids and solids in our tests. Flushing power: when used properly, the H2 option performed very well in both flushing modes. There's that learning curve, though, or at least getting into the habit of using the partial flush when going number 1 and the full flush for number 2. That's because the lighter 0.92 gallons per flush mode had a harder time flushing solid objects, like sponges and golf balls, in our tests. For this reason, our experts don't like dual flush toilets in powder rooms or guest suites, since visitors might not use them properly. Comfort: the elongated bowl serves up an ample seating area. The toilet is standard height, with the seat 15 inches off the ground, so it's better for users who like being a bit lower to the ground, and not those with serious mobility issues. Maintenance: the H2 option's powerful full-force flush should do a good job keeping stains at bay. The bowl also has an antimicrobial surface treatment that the brand says will help protect against mold, mildew, and odor and stain-causing bacteria. Tester notes: installation of the unit was a bit more involved during testing. I needed to break out the ratchet set to get the base securely anchored to the flange, noted one tester. But once it was installed, the toilet was easy to use and fairly quiet, even in full flush mode. Number 2. Kohler Innate Smart Toilet. Why we love it: smart toilets, like the Kohler Innate, represent the latest and greatest in toilet design, though you pay a lot more for the innovation. The distinguishing feature is the built-in cleansing bidet. Most people who try it become quick converts. That was the case with our home testers who evaluated Kohler's Innate Smart Toilet, which adds a long list of enhancements, including precision water pressure and temperature control. Flushing power: our testers gave the Innate top marks for solid and liquid flushing. Some also like that it can be programmed to flush on its own and lift and lower its seat automatically for start-to-finish hands-free control. Other testers found these auto features jarring, especially those with smaller bathrooms, where the lids seemed to open and close every time they entered the space. Comfort: its comfort height design makes sitting down and getting up easier, another aging-in-place benefit of smart toilets, along with the hands-free cleaning. Maintenance: the electrolyzed pre-rinsing of the bowl before use helped minimize stains in our tests. It's worth noting that smart toilets have more electronics and moving parts, plus they've only been around for about a decade. So they haven't stood the test of time in the same way as traditional toilets. Tester notes: nice to look at and much easier to clean than a regular toilet, said one tester. Another was more effusive: the Kohler Innate toilet has me truly spoiled, she said. Everything from the heated toilet seat, which is the greatest luxury ever and something I never knew I needed, to the night light, which helps lead the way straight to the bathroom on even the darkest of nights. Number 3. Toto Washlet. Why we love it: bidet seats replace your existing seat, turning any standard toilet into a smart one. Toto invented the bidet-style toilet seat in 1980, and it remains the market leader. In recent years, we've tested several iterations of the brand's flagship model, the Washlet. Easy installation and feature-rich performance make it our favorite in the fast-growing category. Flushing power: since bidet seats attach to an existing toilet, they don't impact flushing performance. I installed Toto's S7A Washlet on my Toto Drake, which continued to deliver the same superb flushing power. There's an optional auto-flush kit available with most Washlets. Comfort: the Washlet has a streamlined profile compared with other bidets we've tested. Besides looking better, we found it easier to sit on since your body isn't pitched forward, which was the case with bulkier bidets that we reviewed. Testers also praised the Washlet's heated seat, night light, and water temperature controls, though one said there was a learning curve with working the remote control. Maintenance. We like that the Washlet's seamless seat design minimizes gaps and crevices for dirt and grime to collect. The pre-mist feature also helped keep waste from sticking to the bowl. Testers loved how easy the seat is to remove for a deep clean. Tester notes, installing the Washlet has been life-changing. One of my kids won't use any other toilet, at least if he can help it. Besides the superior cleansing experience, the Washlet has reduced our toilet paper needs, which is better for the planet and has translated into real money savings over time. Another tester retrofitted the Washlet to a non-Toto brand toilet and said, "It fits perfectly and looks sleek and modern." She added that the seat always stays at a comfortable temperature, warm but never too hot. All in all, it's been a fantastic upgrade that's made our bathroom experience noticeably nicer.